Alright, I've got the intake off, all the spark plugs out. These are the spark plugs on the left side. These are the spark plugs on the right side. This is cylinder 6, the one you're having problems with. You can see it's very oily. And these are the coil packs. That one's dry, that one's dry. So that's number 6. So this is your problem cylinder. The problem is you've got the valve cover gaskets. Valve cover gasket goes all the way around. Then you've got the spark plug tubes that keep oil from getting into the tube. This one is bad, and it's leaking oil into that spark plug cylinder. This is okay, this is okay. This, I guess the camshaft sensor, you can see it's all oily. But if we replace this valve cover, that will fix oil from getting into number 6 cylinder. It'll be a temporary fix for now if you want to go that route, but definitely long-term fix. That cylinder, that O-ring needs to be replaced. And for right now, yeah, if I replace both of them, I can give you a quote on that, but just wanted to let you know, give a little bit better explanation. And this is probably still good. It's absorbed a lot of oil, so it's real spongy now. This one was dry, so it's still pretty solid. So if anything, I'd recommend replacing the boots, because these come off from the coil pack themselves. It's just a rubber boot, little spring in there. Yeah, let me know what you think, and we can go from there.